In this video, I want to share with you how you can recreate your specific person with ease by harnessing the powers of magnetic energy. Yes, you have the power to recreate them exactly how you want them to be and conform with your desires. When you tap into magnetic energy, you're essentially living your and embracing your authentic self. And when you do that, you're allowing yourself to literally attract anything you want. Magnetic energy is the key to manifesting your specific person, manifestation in general, because your energy is so open and you're allowing opportunities, people, money, experiences, objects, or anything you truly desire to be effortlessly drawn into your life. Don't you like the sound of that? We're able to just literally effortlessly draw things into your life instead of working so freaking hard. You can just draw it into your life. And so, yes, it is this easy when we tap and embrace your authentic self. And when you do that, you're just so captivating, you're so insatiable. And as Neville Goddard says, is that everyone is us pushed out. So we can actually take that ideology from Neville Goddard and really recreate and redesign our reality so we can decide on who our SP is going to look like, how they're going to act, how they're going to treat us, all the characteristics and what you find really attractive in your SP. We can recreate that and also bring it into our lives with ease when we tap into magnetic energy. Because right now, you might be talking to your SP right now and they're really ignoring you, or they're very hot and cold and you don't know where you stand with them. And it can be quite frustrating because one minute they like you, next minute they don't like you. Or sometimes it's just like the conversations are just off and you're just putting so much effort into getting this person to like you and to fall in love with you, and it's like an uphill battle for some reason, and it should just be effortless. And so we're going to kind of backtrack a little bit and we are going to tap into magnetic energy, and when we do that, they will be effortlessly drawn to us. Doesn't that sound wonderful? Let me know in the comment section down below. Before we jump right into this video, I do have 2 free gifts for you guys. So I have a manifestation cheat sheet guide, and I'm having 34 of my favorite tips and tricks about manifestation. And I also have a new gift for you guys, and it's manifest your specific person meditation. So if you're interested in that, just click the link down below. Also, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing and supporting the channel. Sincerely appreciate it. I feel the warmth and love in my heart, so thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And also follow me on my other social medias, my Facebook, my TikTok, and my Instagram. They'll all be linked in the description box down below. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Remember, you have the power to recreate your reality by tapping into magnetic energy. So your specific person's behaviors and actions are actually reflections of your expectations. Your specific person's actions, behaviors, their personality, the way they talk to you is basically conformed and based upon your expectations. If you had thoughts about your SP saying, I can't believe that they're saying this about me, I can't believe they're treating me this way, I can't believe they ghost me again, I can't believe they don't find me attractive, these assumptions and these thoughts that you tell yourself, they're just assumptions that shape their behavior. But guess what? We can change that because they're just thoughts, and that when we say those things, we're actually assigning that behavior to them. But if we change our thoughts, change our assumptions, change our expectations about our SP, and infuse in combination with magnetic energy, we can actually change the way that our SP looks at us. So we can go from being ignored to adored. Instead of thinking of negative thoughts, about why they're not texting me, why they're ignoring me, we're now going to start implementing positive thoughts that are going to really shine and tap into your magnetic self, your magnetic energy. Instead of saying, I can't believe they're not texting me, I can't believe they don't find me attractive, you could now flip it and say, they are absolutely obsessed with me, they love me, they're texting me all the time, our love is so divine, they cannot get enough of me, they just love my personality, they love everything about me. when we do that, we're changing our expectations, we're changing how their behavior is to us, because like I said, you're the main character in your story. You are the star in your own movie. And so when you really hone in on being magnetic, you are not diluting yourself one bit. With those negative thoughts, you're actually diluting the qualities and the wonderful qualities about yourself. In actuality, your SP is going to absolutely love all the wonderful qualities about you. So we're going to disregard all those negative thoughts about why they're not texting you, why they're ghosting you, or anything like that. We're going to just throw those out the window, because that's kind of the ego kind of nattering at you. It's the little self-talk that is getting in the way. So yes, try this approach out. Let me know how this goes. If you do have negative thoughts that arise, just allow them to speak, but then just disregard them. You are in control of your life. You're in control of your expectations, how people talk to you, their behaviors, or anything that. You are the deciding factor. You are the creator of your own life. And so you have to take your power back, baby. Take your power back and decide on what you want. And when you do that, things will happen for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I sincerely appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see everyone in the next video. Bye.